So guys, I'm finally getting my bathroom done. I'm so excited. So obviously I've bought all the bathroom accessories, so stay tuned if you want to see what I've picked up. So hey guys, it's Becky and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. Hello, if you're new, don't forget to hit subscribe down below. Trying to get to 20,000 by the end of the year, so I would love it if you would join me here. I upload every Tuesday and Thursday, and there's always so much in there's always so much I'm uploading, from plus size clothing hauls to beauty and lifestyle, all that jazz, and a little bit of home renovation. So spoiler alert, the bathroom video will of course be coming very soon. As I'm filming this video now, the bathroom will be being ripped out in 5 days time. Very, very exciting. Gonna try and document as much as possible of that. I'm not doing it personally. I'm having a little team come in and do it for me, but I'm so excited to finally be, it's been needed desperately. So yeah, it's like the final big project in the house. I bought my house just over a year ago now. It needed a brand new kitchen, brand new bathroom, brand new windows, all that jazz. So excited, so excited to be finally getting the bathroom. So of course I had to get brand new bathroom accoutrement. I never really did too much to the bathroom because I knew I was going to be ripping it out. So everything I had previously was like hand-me-down towels from my mum and dad. Just, you know, any old bits that I kind of just pulled together cheaply just to make it functional. But I have spent a lot of money at Next. Or if you're looking for some nice like bathroom bits, I'd really recommend Next. Really reasonable prices and lots of different styles that you can pick from. So first up, let's go with like the bathroom set that I've picked. This is the kind of set that I've gone for. It's a very like Scandi minimal design in this gorgeous kind of like beige stone. This is heavy as well, material. Absolutely love this. So I think I'll be able to put my toothpaste, my toothbrush, my face roller, and like these little like tooth flosser things in here. It says it also can store an electric toothbrush as well, because it is quite chunky, like it is quite big. I'm hoping this fits behind my taps. Fingers crossed. I can always return it though if it doesn't fit. I've got my receipts and everything. So this was £14, and yeah, really nice and chunky and heavy. I did get the whole range. So I also got the toilet brush. I currently have a stainless steel one and it's rusting. I don't think it was stainless steel then. So I liked this for the reason there's no metal. So this is going to be really easy to clean, and it will also stay nice. Also, the thing I didn't realise with these is that you can just buy replacement heads. I was always of the mind that you had to like throw the whole thing away. No, except you're just gonna have to like maybe put some gloves on to like change the head. And this is like a nice rubber as well. Again, super easy to keep clean. And this was £16. Because I've been looking all over the place, it's incredibly reasonable prices compared to some others that I found. So I was really happy with that. Then another part of the set. Now I had to travel for this because it was sold out online and was only available, it was like a 40-minute drive away, but I really wanted it. It's the matching tray. I thought this could be really cute with maybe like a little reed diffuser, a little mini plant maybe. Here at £15. I just thought I'd rather like have the tray while I have the set and like see where I put it. I'm not 100% sure if everything I bought is gonna fit or where it's gonna go, whether I'm gonna keep my little, I have like a little toiletries trolley, whether I keep that, I'm not sure. But I just wanted to have it, you know what I mean? So I can work out what I'm gonna do with it. And then, oh, is that it? The final, I literally got the whole set, guys. The final thing I got was the little soap dispenser. Again, it's just really, really nice. This was £12. So for the whole set, oh my God, maths, probably like around £50, but it's gonna last me a while. And then when I was looking at places like John Lewis, Zara Home, the prices of stuff like this, really, really expensive. So yeah, just bear that in mind. And also like Home Sense and stuff, I couldn't get a full set. It was just impossible. So yeah, really, really pleased with this set. I think it's very, very like trendy, that kind of like Scandi, is it Japandi? I think that's kind of a term as well. Like Japanese Scandinavian style, quite spa-like. I just really loved the set. And I'm kind of going with like beiges and whites with like a little pop of black. So like as you'll see here, I got this gorgeous bath mat that just says get naked. Just thought it was really, really cute. It's so soft. And they did this in a few different sizes, so I got this size. I am having a shower, but I just thought like this will kind of cover both like the sink, because the sink will be here, and like the shower entry point will be here. So I thought it would like cover both the areas, if you know what I mean. What have I got to show you next? I've got a lot of wall decor. This is really cute. It was actually a really good price as well. How cute. Now, something I really, really wanted to try and get when I was originally looking for bath stuff was the Anthropology kind of metro tile range, but I feel like they're discontinuing it. There was hardly any left on the website, and when I looked on eBay, the stuff was selling for like hundreds of pounds. So I was like, no. But I thought this was so cute. I think this was like £6, which I think is a really great price. You do have an option to just hang it on a little hook, or you can hang it like this. I do prefer it with the little chain. I just think it adds a little something extra. We're telling everyone to get naked in this bathroom. Very prominent messaging, but I don't know, I just thought it was really, really cute. The next thing, guys, I think is going to be a very Marmite item. But ever since I saw it, I was like, I have to have it. It's a little crab. It's so cute. No idea where this is going at all. I just thought it was the cutest thing in the world. I'm hoping I can put it behind the toilet, like on the little shelf there. I want to put all my like clean flannels in here. This is called Carlos the Crab, and it was £34. But I really liked it. It's so cute. It's got a nice weight to it as well. It's not flimsy at all. And it does this. Hello. Very cute. Very, very cute. Kind of goes with the kind of like brown tones with the little pops of black with the little eyes. I just really, really liked it. But again, I've just kept my receipt. I can't fit him anywhere. The one thing not from Next is this bin. So fun fact, me and Mum are both getting our bathroom done, and we're actually getting it done by the same company because we both really like them. So this was a bin from Costco. It came in a 2-pack. I don't think it says the name, but again, I bought a cheap bin from B&M and it's just disintegrating. It's really, really bad quality. And if I'm honest, the bathroom stuff's really put me off kind of B&M in general, because it's just not, I've not had it for even a year and it's kind of not doing too well. But this is a really great size. It's still small enough to be like a bathroom bin, but it's way bigger than the one I've got now, and it's just really nice quality. Now these were £22 for two, so £11 each. And again, if you don't have someone to split it with, this would also make a great kind of office bin, or kind of like, you know, where you put your makeup on, you know, with your used wet wipes and stuff like that. I think this would make a great little kind of like beauty bin as well. Or if you just wanted a small, very small bin for like food scraps or something like that in the kitchen. Really, really nice quality, and it's a really great size. And it also has this feature where the lid will stay up as well. But it also has soft close. Really, really nice quality, and for the price I thought it was excellent. Another piece of wall art I actually, another piece of wall art I'm gonna have to get out of the box for you guys, because I literally picked it up this morning. Again, it's from Next. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to get all the tissues off. I do have a lot of real plants in the house, but because I travel and go away a lot, I do struggle with the upkeep. So I thought this was so cool for the bathroom. Again, that nice pop of black, but the green just adds a little bit of like life, even though they're not real. They're super cute. I like that it's not too big, but I also love there's all these like dangling vines. It does smell quite plasticky. This was £45. The one thing with Next is you can never get anything on an offer. I think that's why their sales do really well, because they never do like 20% off everything. You just have to wait for the sale, and I didn't want to wait for the sale. I just really liked it. Couldn't find anything similar to it online. They also do individual ones as well. So if you didn't want to have one with all three, you could get one just like this part. But I really liked it. Thought it was really different and unusual. And yeah, £45. It's okay. I will say the plants do look quite realistic. So overall, I'm happy with them. Now, on to the most exciting part of the haul. Towels. So I was doing a lot of research looking at towels from different places. I looked at Costco, I looked at John Lewis, M&S, and I looked on like eBay and Amazon, but you can't touch them. And I just feel like I want to feel them before I spend a big chunk of money on them. I have used Next towels for probably the last 7 years, and I really like them. They're very good quality, and they do super size. They do the extra large bath sheet. That is an awesome size. It's 100 centimeters by 180 centimeters, and if you're a plus sized hun like I am, this is one of the biggest towels I found on the high street. I just find it kind of bonkers that they're so hard to find. But I love that they say like they have Next embroidered on them. I just think that's a really nice touch. These come in so many colours. If you have a specific colour theme, like they've got loads of like nice neutral tones, but I did just want to get white because they're always going to sell white. While I don't think they've discontinued any colours. They could discontinue any colour at any moment, you know what I mean? So I do think white is always a really good one to get, because white's never out of fashion, and you can buy other towels from other places. You're not stuck to buying a particular colour. So these were £26 each. I will say Costco did have a bath sheet that was 100 by 177, so only 3 centimetres smaller. But they were this thing that they said, oh, you need to wash it 3 times before it becomes its like full size. So I wasn't feeling the end product, but I also didn't know, like, I wish they had an example of how it's going to feel after those like free washes, because it doesn't, like, these feel so good. 100% Egyptian cotton. They're just, the next ones are just so like thick, and they dry you really, really well. They're really, really soft, and like, they're just really, really good quality. So you do get what you pay for. So I did pick up 2. So I've got one to have in the wash while the other, you know, one's being used, etc. And then I'll just keep my other ones that I've got currently as kind of like backup / guest towels. And then I just got a pack of flannels to put in my crab. £5 for 4 flannels. Again, exact same material. Flannels are just useful to have for makeup removal, if you don't want to have a full-on shower and you want to have a little sink wash, whatever you're doing. But that is a sneak peek of the bathroom situation. I'm really, really pleased with everything I got, and Next really did sort me out. Honestly, their bathroom range is really, really nice, and some really nice, quite stylish pieces. It has so many different options and stuff though for whatever your taste is. And yeah, I'd really, really recommend try Next out if you are looking for like a refreshing your bathroom, because that's one thing you can always do. You don't need to put in a new bathroom. You can just buy a new shower curtain or new bath mat, or, you know, change out your towels, and it can give your bathroom a whole new refresh. You don't need to rip, but mine does need ripping out. So I'm so excited. So don't forget to subscribe so you can see the bathroom remodel when that happens. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know down below what bits you liked. Did you like Carlos the crab? Shall we say goodbye, Carlos, to everyone? Goodbye. Goodbye, everyone. This is when you all start to unsubscribe. But yeah, let me know down below what you thought of everything, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.